Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Essy, all things fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and today we are doing an amazing one again, a fashion summer styling, which is so fantastic, I will say, elegant and casual at the same time. And today we are doing summer white outfit ideas, casual to elegant for 2024. So as we go on, I'm just looking to my notes on the computer, what I all wrote about this. And so, ready to beat the heat in style, watch as we turn classic white pieces into head-turning outfit for every summer occasion. So these few outfits are just for my wardrobe. I didn't buy any extra for this video. It's some things I already own on my wardrobe, and I thought I'm just going to create a white summer outfit ideas as it is getting hot. And sometimes, you know, white just cools down, it doesn't hit the body. And so before we just waste a lot of time, we're going to start with the styles. We're going to be styling from, I style around 5 styles, and I hope you will enjoy these styles. So the first one is white dot dress, and this is the one here, this amazing white dot dress. It's one I sewed it myself for like 3 years ago, and I kept it in the wardrobe. I wore it once when I was in Texas for holiday, and since then I never wear it again. I don't know why. So last week I was just checking on my wardrobes and I saw it and I thought, okay, it doesn't fit no more, but amazing. Look at that. I'm putting the pictures around on the screen. You can see what I'm talking about. The dress is so amazing. It's beautiful and it's well sewn. I sewed it myself on. The length is amazing because it keeps the heat away, and I can't get enough of this. You can style it up and down. I really style it just casually, not anything crazy, just to go somewhere for dinner, or you know, anything, just fluffy and fun, perfect for casual daytime outing. Pair with a straw hat or brown leather sandals and a woven crossbag for a laid-back look. Add oversized glasses for extra flair. For me, I just style it with white black glasses and just a small carry bag, which I styled it with white slides, which are looking amazing. And I mean, more than that, what will you need? It's just casual, looking amazing and beautiful. So we don't need too much for styling it, but you can style it anyhow you want. If you have something similar, you can style it for dinner with heels, high heels. You can style it for birthday party. You can style it for church. No. Yeah, somehow you can. It's a hot day, so you can style it anywhere, anyhow, and you look amazing. And yeah, I'm sure you will see the video, you see the photos, it's look perfect. So the next one, we go to the silk pant and bracelet. Oh my god, this one is also my own design. It's perfect. I mean, it's crazy. So, like, you know, I'm ready to go for holiday, and this outfit, I styled it with amazing bracelet, which I sewed together the same material from silk material, and it looks amazing with white glasses and slides as well, white slides. And you can style it for just holidays at the beach, you can style it for dinner, you can style it anyhow and it look amazing. You can style it with the slides as I did, you can style it with the heels. It depends how you do it, but for me, I styled it. I'm just styling everything like really chilly for a day, just, you know, to wine out the day and just enjoy it with a, because it's too hot, it's, you know. So I combine it again the second time with a long shirt, also a silky shirt. It looks amazing. You can just go like this, as well as I said, for dinner, coffee, somewhere. It depends how you style it. It is facilitated to style different ways and you look perfect. So the third one, we go to skirt, which is just casual, really casual, just easy to go outfit and just chilly. You can just go like this to just to the park, walk to the park, just, you know, go out with friends just for a drink or some, you know. It looks perfect for this weather where you don't have to do much with it. Combined with amazing glasses, which I did with kind of amazing glasses, and it looks beautiful and just really casual with the slides as well. And you can't go wrong. You can combine this white outfit with some colorful shoes or bracelet or something. I didn't wear much. I didn't wear jewelry because it's hot, it's sweaty. I don't need no jewelry at this point because it's a day outfit which you can just wear it in anytime, anywhere. You don't have to put any much. The outfit is speaking for itself, so it looks really amazing. I think you will like it as well. It's an idea which you can also try and, yeah, integrate on your styles this summer. The fourth one is another amazing one which I'm in love with. It's also my own. I sewed it myself as well. It's a dress where you can wear it on the beach, you can wear it in a pool. This outfit I sewed it because I wanted something unique, something nobody has, that I can wear under my swimsuit, which is so amazing and looking beautiful. So this outfit, it's, you know, it looks so amazing that you can just think of wearing anywhere else. It doesn't just look like only a swimsuit cover up. It's just elegant. It's really elegant. It's just sexy and it says it all. So if you're looking for something like that and you wish to have something like that, just let me know. Just comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, support your girl, and let's grow this channel to more views, and so that we can continue doing what we love. So the fifth one is a long shirt dress, which is one of them which I really saw also like 3 years ago, and the long shirt dress is looking perfect. It's really white, it brings fresh air, it lets you breathe, and it's stylish. You don't have to do much as well. I style it here with the heels, white and blue heels, which are looking elegant on the style. You can't go wrong with this. You can just, this has some stripe, blue stripe from just far, and with this one you can just style it with different shoes, different accessoire on this. So at this point I just combined it with sunglasses, just a handbag, and also I did with these heels. It looks amazing, elegant and beautiful. You can just wear it as well for friends, you're meeting friends, casual coffee drink, and just dinner as well, you just look elegant in this outfit. So we're going to coming to my last amazing outfit. This outfit is just amazing, as you can't go wrong with it. This is the cocktail dress. So guys, this cocktail dress, it's amazing, perfect for evening events and summer parties. Style with strappy metallic heels, a small clutch, and bold red lipstick. Accessorized with dainty gold jewelries for an elegant touch. White cocktail dress, evening glam, you know, like this dress is amazing for special occasion as well. Like you're in a best hotel for dinner, you can wear it for you can wait for wedding, birthday party, and many more. It just talk by itself. It's just shouting elegant. It's shouting, look at me. What else do you want? You can't get more than this. It's amazing. It's beautiful. This dress, I decided to combine it as well with blue heels. It looks amazing with white sunglasses, because now here I'm just going for a birthday party or I'm going for a wedding. That's how it looks like. That's how I dressed it for. It looks like ready for amazing day. It's fluffy with some amazing roches and all the stuff. You can't go wrong with this dress, and it looks perfect for amazing elegant occasions. So if you think you love this dress, just comment down below, like and comment. Make sure you share your thoughts. Give me your more ideas of what white clothes you are planning for your summer, and make sure you just support this girl. Like, comment and subscribe. Always looking for, always new subscribers are welcome. Everybody is always welcome. Make sure you support your girl. So which white outfit is your favorite for this summer? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fashion tips and trends. Hit the like button if you found this looks inspiring, and let's grow this channel each and every day more and more. I will really appreciate, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Make sure you subscribe. It doesn't mean